Hello, my name is Asim, and in Phase 4 I have successfully deployed my Todo application as a cloud-native system on a local Kubernetes cluster using Minikube. This application follows a modern microservices architecture. The front end is built using Next.js, and the backend is built using FastAPI. Both components are containerized using Docker, which ensures consistency, portability, and production-ready deployment. These containers are deployed and managed inside Kubernetes using Helm charts. Kubernetes handles orchestration by managing pods, services, and deployments, ensuring the application runs reliably within the cluster. Here, we can see that both the front-end and back-end pods are running successfully. This confirms that the application is fully deployed and operational inside Kubernetes. The back-end is securely connected to a Neon PostgreSQL cloud database, demonstrating integration between Kubernetes and external cloud services. The application is exposed through Kubernetes networking and is accessible through the browser. This confirms that the system is running as a complete cloud-native deployment inside Kubernetes. This project demonstrates Docker containerization, Kubernetes orchestration, Helm-based deployment, and a fully functional cloud-native architecture. Thank you.